Weave your dreams with us. Explore cinematic views.
The best tourist destination, Land of the Dream Wavers. Welcome to Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. Come and see the beautiful islands, culture, and amazing spots of the Land of the Dream Wavers. And you'll see the breathtaking views and serenity of the place that has never ceased to amaze you, with full of warmth and relaxation. Lake Cebu in South Cotabato is well known as an eco-tourist destination in southern Mindanao. Lake Cebu has grown in popularity as a tourist destination over the years. Its natural attractions, such as the lake and the waterfalls, and its peaceful atmosphere make for a perfect getaway. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go to Lake Cebu, South Cotabato, the Land of the Dream Wavers.